I wrote this in, but the idea I did it for a lady that wrote a poem, Saint Andra, and she wrote it in English. I converted it into Scots and I wrote a few verses myself. The legend of Andra. Andra, the patron saint to the Scots, a fisherman was to his trade. When Jesus appeared, will you follow me? He looked up and he said, at Galilee I'll leave all my nets, and I'll follow you instead. A fisher of men is what I'll be, together in folk and need. A good friend of Jesus he became, and Simon T, his brother, when 8 other men and James and John trusted with one another. Andra, he rocks the sair and the wheel, and his master's footsteps trod, and I kept the promise he had made to bring all their souls to God. It said when his hour had sadly come, that hour he was doomed to die, a humbler cross than masters that he was the young and rather see. Sign on a rock, squeegee cross to die, though a gay rude child was he, that chose to give up his life to God, a saint he was soon to be. Ye time was here duel, his leery licht, and death inspired us in life. Friends broke his banes, the saltire shone bright, high in the sky, above the fight. A nation was forged on fateful day, tempered at Athelstane fort, when Albanach's Scots both knelt to pray guidance to Andra the Lord. His legend is etched on Scotland's flag, white with its back laith sublime. This wheel-load symbol crudely will flee, and mine stalwart Andra take.